Hello students, in this video we will do some of the questions related to simplification. So before doing questions we have to know few of the things like the rule of BODMAS, which says first we will solve bracket, or in bracket what can be there. There can be bar like this, or this one small bracket we say, or parenthesis we say is this one curly bracket, and at last we solve square bracket or big bracket. So this one is line or bar, this one is parenthesis or small bracket, this one is curly bracket, and this one is square bracket or big bracket. Like this we will solve. First we will solve line or bar, then small, then curly, then big bracket. This will be the order. So like here, what are the small bracket is here, then curly bracket is first we will solve inside the small bracket. And another thing, other than this, what will be the operations we will use if somewhere off is mentioned after bracket. So first we will solve bracket, then off we will do, like here it is, then first off we will do, then we will divide, then multiply, then add and subtract, at last we will do addition and subtraction. So on the basis of this we will start our question number 7 of exercise second B. See, it is written 5 whole 1 by 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 of 5 whole 1 by 2 BOD. Now you know here is no bracket, so what is the next operation? Off. So we will solve first off, all other we will write as it is, 5 whole 1 by 4 minus 2 whole 1 by 3 as it is, plus 1 by 3 off means multiply of 5 to ja 10 plus 1 11, we will write 11 over 2. So we will solve this one. It will be equal to, we can make it simple fraction, 5 4 ja 20 plus 1 21 over 4, it will become minus 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7 over 3, it will become plus, on multiplying it will become 11 1 ja 11 and 3 2 ja 6. Like this we will write. Now you know plus minus we can do, either you can solve these two first or these two first. So I will add first these two, 21 upon 4 plus 11 over 6 I will write, both are positive, this one and this one first up, and minus 7 by 3 I will do at last. So it will be equal to 4 and 6. Well, how we will add? You can write it as 21 upon 4 plus 11 over 6, and this one minus 7 over 3 you can write outside this. So what you will do here, multiply with 6, here you will multiply it with 4. Now it will become 6 1 ja 6 6 2 ja 12 upon 4 6 ja 24 plus it will become 44 upon 24. Now you can subtract, first you add both, then you can subtract it. It will be equal to 6 plus 4 0, carry 1, 4 plus 2 6 7, carry 7, okay 170 it will become, and 24 minus 7 by 3. Now you can do, it will come, LCM will be 24 only, so 170 you will write minus 3. How many times? 8 8 3 ja 24. So we will multiply 7 with 8, 56 it will become. Now 170 minus 56, it will be equal to 4. Now 6 minus 5 1 means 114 upon 24, or we can reduce it into the smaller form, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10, it will become 14, 5 7 2 ja. Now this will be the smallest form, or we can write it in mixed fraction also. It will be equal to 48 plus 10, it will be 58, so 9 we will write here. This will be our answer in mixed fraction. So now come to question number 9. Here what we will solve first, inside a small bracket whatever is. Here you can use your technique of adding these. Here what I have done, I multiplied this 6 here and here, numerator and denominator, this 4 in numerator and denominator. You can take LCM also, no problem is there. Now come to question number 9. What is that? Is curly bracket 3 upon 7 divided by inside bracket 14. Like fractions are, so simply we can add 13 plus 1 it will become 14 over 14. It will be equal to 1 only into, no, curly bracket will put into 7 upon 30. Now it will be equal to, inside curly bracket, 3 upon 7 divided by 1. You know, if we will divide a number with 1, it will remain same only. So it will be 3 by 7 into 7 by 30. Or you can do 1 by 1, same answer will be there. So it will be equal to 7 cancel by 7, answer will be 3 upon 13. Or in mixed fraction also you can write, this will be your answer. Now come to question number 13. What it is 16 upon 17 of 6 whole 4 by 5 minus this one. So first what you will solve? Board mass. As per board mass, bracket you will solve. So where is bracket? This one is small one. You write inside small bracket 6 equal to 16 upon 17. At the place of you will write multiply 6 5 ja 30 plus 4 34 upon 5. It will become bracket close small bracket. Now minus 5 4 ja 20 plus 1 21 over 5 you can write, minus curly bracket you will start 14 1 ja 14 plus 1 15 over 14 you can write, divide inside bracket you can solve. LCM of both will be 14, so it will be 2 7 ja 14, so 7 you will write here, plus 7 2 ja 14, 2 you will write here, curly bracket and small bracket close. Now you can check from here, 17 2 ja 34 and others not, 16 2 ja it will become 32 upon 5 minus 21 over 5 minus inside curly bracket you will write 15 over 14 divided with what, 7 plus 2 8 9 upon 14 it will become, and curly bracket you will close. Now it will be equal to 32 upon 5. Now it is fully solved. Outside bracket you can write minus 21 over 5 minus inside curly bracket you will solve. Then in division you know what we do, sign changed with multiply and reciprocal of second fraction we will do here. It will become 14 over 9. All you know that 14 cancel with 14. Now when 3 is stable, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15 it will be. So we can write it as 32 upon 5 minus 21 upon 5 minus inside curly bracket it will be minus 5 upon 3. Now we can remove curly bracket also because it is fully solved. So after coming plus into minus it will be here. So what will be, see here you can see denominator is same, like fractions are 5 we can write. Now 32 minus 21 it will be equal to 21 plus 10 31 means 11 it will be, minus we will do and 5 by 3 as it is we will write. Now LCM of 5 and 3 it will be equal to 15, or it will be equal to 15. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15 means here we will do 33, 11 3 ja minus 3 5 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25 we will do. So it will be equal to 33 minus 25. It will be 25 plus 5 30, 5 6 7 8 upon 15 will be our answer. Like this we will do.